Thing I'm starting off with is my leave-in conditioner. Excuse the hair, I need to retouch my braids, but I don't know how to braid, so I have to wait. So leave-in conditioner, just so my hair underneath is very moisturized. My hair into a hair tie, and now it's time to lay my edges back just so it's smooth underneath. This is the wig right here. This is their 24-inch V-part wig, 150 density. And this one is also a glueless, laceless wig. So it has combs on the inside where you can attach it to your parting. You do not need a wig cap because it will be covering the parting space. So what I'm doing, I usually like middle part, so I'm clipping it in the middle. Very quick and easy style. Just put on and go about your day. I also would like if you can also tease the middle a little bit more so it's more puffy, so you won't be able to see your parting. Here I'm just adding a little bit of moisture to the hair so the curls can pop more. Very easy, fast, less than 5 minute style.